This is the Ocean View Cafe on the Celebrity Apex. Enters on deck 14. It's the buffet, but they do serve you rather than self-serve. They have quite a few hand washing stations, so you can wash your hands, and a Purell station. You've got ice cream. You walk in and there's a bar and a really nice selection of various different foods. They've got India, they've got English, they've got French, grilled favorites, lots of bread, lots of desserts, fresh fruit. In the morning they have scrambled eggs, they have eggs any way you want to make them with the chef. A wide assortment, and of course lots and lots of seating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.